Hello and welcome back to Fracking Week in Catastrophic Science. Today is Tuesday, April 28th. I want to remind you that yesterday we did an two introductory videos on fracking. That was yesterday, the 27th. And today we move on to a 4-day documentary called Gaslands, which is the major documentary which deals with the topic of fracking in the United States. You'll have 4 days to watch this documentary, so we'll be watching it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. On Google Classroom, you'll find a paper where you are going to jot down some notes for each of the days, and then on Friday, you'll submit all 4 days of your notes in one lump submission. So just a little something from each day that you watch so that we are aware that you watched this documentary called Gaslands. It is very good. In order to watch the documentary in 4 days, you'll have to average 25 to 27 minutes of viewing. If you want to watch more one day, be sure you take more notes on that one day. So you can watch this however you want. If you want to finish it up in a few days, one day, however you want to watch it, that's up to you. But be sure that you take notes throughout the entire process. Again, this is the major documentary on this topic. It is very good. It's been an award winner. Be sure you submit this to my email, steve.hippemeyer@ketteringschools.org. If you have any issues or troubles with this, just fire me an email and we can get it worked out. Enjoy the documentary.